Welcome to Research Rocks. I purchased one induction. The brand name is a Point and the induction model number is here. The original price of this induction is a 6,999 DKK. I purchased this one for offer just only 2,500 DKK. So almost 60 to 70% off and 7-year warranty. And I'm purchasing this one as usual my favorite electronic store, and that one is a Power. Now I just show it to you installation process, how you can install this induction in your home. So first of all, I just simply do the unboxing and then we can remove the old one and how we can fix that. Let's see. Here is the magic booklet. This is the induction. The 2 is bigger and 2 is small. Installation point of view, here they are showing some, each cable are mentioning of the proper, and here is the magic booklet. Now I just simply remove this one. It's very easy. You should use any knife or screwdriver as well and just simply open. So using this process you should open very easily like this. So now installation process point of view, this is the old one, so focus on this one. This is the new one. So here 4 cable we receive, 2 cable LL, and this is the I think so earthing, and this is the neutral. Here is the, so total 5 cable, but old one use only 4 one, fifth one they don't use from here to here as well. So just follow the color to color for this particular cable. So here is the black color is also available, and here is the black, it's neutral. So it's very easy, just simply look at this here like this and remove the black one, and here is the black. You just simply put it here, the black one properly, and just simply press here. So this is the just simply button switch, no need to use right now, is a screwdriver. Second one, here the different color, brown maroon, brown color, so like this, and here is the brown. Brown, so brown here like this, properly fix and fix this one right away, easy way. And third cable is the yellow and green. So here one screwdriver, one screw is this, so you can use the screwdriver like this and very easily like this remove. And then here is the yellow one, so I can fix properly like this, and then so entire cable is removed. This one is an old one, so I can put it side and then here, so you can fix like this very easily. So as a demo point of view, I just fix this one and try this is the working or not. So connection I'm not fixed yet, but just demo point of view, I just simply press here, turn it on button, and boom, this is the working. Now if I press here, so first one, so this is the working, all function is working well. Now I just simply turn it off, again disconnect the light and fix properly. So I fix all the cable here properly. So my final work, I need to fix this cap. So now final installation is completed. One of the important point is remaining. I just simply put it here. Then fix what it. Okay. Yeah. Stick. So using this process, you can save 1000 krona easily. It's not difficult. You can take 2 glass water, 1000 Danish krona. Hope you enjoy this video. New induction puja. We install ourselves this induction and save 1000 Danish krona. नहीं वो ये चालू हो जाएगा, ये होगा चालू. Jai. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Research rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.